Hi guys, this is Dave. Welcome to Ateneo Dedabaw's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to edit, hide or show, move, delete course section. This is the course section. To edit the course section, click the Turn Editing On. Click the pencil icon to quickly rename the section. Enter. Or click the Edit menu to edit description and other settings. Just custom and type overview. Save changes. And now, I will show you how to hide or show the course section. Click the Edit menu of the section, then click the Hide topic. It will highlight Hidden from Students. To show the course section again, click the Edit menu and Show topic. It will available again. Now I will show you how to move a course section. Click the up-down arrow or the crosshairs icon to move the section. Drag the section to where you want to position it and let go. Now I will show you how to delete a course section. Click the Edit menu of the section and then choose Delete Topic. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy learning, guys!